To quote or not to quote? That is the question. Is your social media feed lacking quotes? Well, stay tuned for this episode of Quick Quips and Tips, and we'll show you how to create posts really quickly for quotes. We're talking about quotes today. Should you quote? Shouldn't you quote? My answer is yes. Quotes create an engaging place for people on your social media feed to really find out a little bit more about who you are, your brand, and a little bit about your philosophies and your beliefs. But it also can provide that little inspiration that somebody needs throughout their day. So I'm going to show you really quickly how you can create quotes using a one website to find the quote and a place in Canva where you can create them. So let me talk about this feature here. This website is called brainyquote.com, and you can find things here that you can quote on. Now, just recently it was Speak Like Shakespeare's Day, right? So I can go in and find William Shakespeare right here on this website, and I can see some quotes from him. Now, they have graphics and stuff, but notice they have their own branding here. And you don't want that on your site. You don't want to be promoting somebody else's brand on your business. So you want to create your own. So if I take this quote, some are born great and some achieve greatness and some have greatness thrust upon them, I can take this and copy it. And I'll show you where we'll go. We're going to go right into Canva. And in here, all I have to do is type in the word quote, and it pops up a couple of different options I can select from in different formats. And I can pick one that I like and then start creating with it. Now, again, you have options that you can do. The other thing, if you feel like you want to make sure, you know what, I just want an Instagram post, I can go in to create a design and create an Instagram post right here. And then once I'm in, I can click on templates and then type the word quote. And then I'll get some more options here. So say I really like this style. I think this is really cool, right? I can go in here and all I need to do is paste in that quote. I'm going to take out the Brainy quote link. And then I'm going to take the William Shakespeare. I like that to be on the bottom, like put it in there. And then just get rid of the text I don't want. I can make things bigger so I can, increase the font just doing there. No, I don't need help. I'm good. And make it a little bit bigger and, put it there. I may say I want it centered, so I do that. And this looks really small. Now, you can use these little side things, but see what happens when you do that. So what I tend to do is I just go in here, I highlight the text, and then I just go up, up, up and make them bigger. Now, I may also want to do something like break this up so that it makes more sense here. You can take and, of course, modify your templates if you want by just edging things over, because I want this to be something like that. I like the way that looks better. And again, go in here, change your font. I don't like that font. I want something bigger. Remember, when you're doing something like this, you may want to take whatever they give you, which is fine. You could also go in and do things like bold certain words. Maybe that's not the one we want to bold. Maybe just undo it. Some are born great. Some achieve greatness. Some have greatness thrust upon them. Okay. And then, of course, you can see here, this is a watermarked photo. You never want that. So I could go in here and I can search for Shakespeare. And maybe I want to quote one of Shakespeare. Notice here when I move my mouse over it, it does say free. Anything with those little crowns, that is not free. So I'm going to get rid of the news. And when you do this, you have now just edited. I'm going to crop this over a little bit so I actually get Shakespeare in there. And now all I have to do is download it and pop it right into my feed. That's as simple as that. So in less than 5 minutes, I've just created a quote. You can do it too. If you ever have any challenges with your social media, make sure you reach out to me, Maggie Carey from Master It Media. We have things like teleprompter and our amazing strategy sessions where we help businesses figure out all this stuff without all the drama. So here is my website, masteritmedia.com. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up and a little subscribe and bell if you want to follow us. Remember, we're here at Master It Media. We help you take the commotion out of your promotion.